teachers. In this video, me and my friend will teach you about median and mode, and my topic is how to calculate mode in normal frequency distribution. In this video, I will teach you about what is mode and how to calculate in normal frequency distribution. So, what is mode? Mode is a number that appears most frequently in a data set. There are some conditions for it. A set of numbers have one mode or more than one or no mode at all. So now let's take an example to understand it well. So on my screen you can see I have a data frequency 12. So which number you will find appear most of the times? As 90 appears 11 times in this frequency table, then this is a mode of the frequency distribution table.
Good morning to my respected teachers and my dear friends. Today, me and my group will present a flip teaching on chapter Statistics. Today, my topic is model formula and cumulative distribution. Let us learn about all these things in a video. Now let us learn about various topics such as model formula, cumulative distribution and its graph. First, to find the mode or model value, it is best to put the numbers in order, then count how many of each number a number that appears most often is the mode. Here you can also see the model formula. Cumulative distribution. The cumulative distribution function CDF, denoted by Fx, measures the probability that random variable x assumes a value less than or equal to x, that is Fx equal to Prx greater than x, where x is the probability that takes a value less than or equal to the x or that lies in the semi-closed interval. You can also see the graph of cumulative distribution.
Hello Bakshi of class 10. Today I am going to tell you what median. In statistics and probability, a median is a value separating the higher half from the lower half. For a certain data set, it may also be the middle value. There are two cases of finding out median: when there are even numbers of outcomes and odd number of outcomes. For odd number of outcomes, the formula is n term divided by 2 plus 1, and for even number of outcomes, the formula is n term divided by 2 plus n term divided by 2 plus 1 whole divided by 2.
How to calculate median in a normal distribution odd. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is odd. Now we have to take n plus 1 upon may 2 th position. 9 plus 1 upon 2 position, 5th position. Now we have to take in ascending order. I have already arranged, so we have to take it from 5th position. 5th position is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 14th. 5th position is this 14. So median is 14. How to calculate median in a normal distribution? Even. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 10 even. Now we have to take this in ascending order. I have already arranged. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to take two number of this from center. Now we can see from left side there are 4 and right side also. Now 13 plus 14 upon 2 is equal to 13.5. So answer is median is 13.5. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today I, Arpit Jha, is going to tell you how to calculate median through the median formula. As my mates had already told you what is median and how to calculate median through the n by 2 and n plus 1 by 2 formula. So that formula of n by 2 and n plus 1 by 2 only applies to selective frequency distributions. But in cumulative frequency distribution, you have to use the median formula. We will have just a look how the median formula looks like. Median is equals to L multiplied by n by 2 minus cumulative frequency by frequency into the height. So this is the median formula. These all terms like n by 2, L, CF, F and H are different values in the cumulative frequency distribution, as we will see just now. So let's see just an example how to calculate median through cumulative frequency distribution. Suppose a test of 40 marks was conducted in a class. And we have divided the marks into 4 class intervals. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and 30 to 40. These are the class intervals. Now we will have the frequency. So 5 students secured marks between 0 to 10, 2 students secured marks between 10 to 20, again 5 students secured marks between 20 to 30, and again 3 students secured marks between 30 to 40. This was your normal frequency. Now let's talk about the cumulative frequency. So the cumulative frequency of the first interval will remain the same, that is 5. Now we will subsequently add the frequency in the first class interval in the second cumulative frequency of the second class interval. That means 5 plus 2, that gives you 7. Similarly, 5 plus 7, that gives you 12. And again 12 plus 3, that gives you 15. So here is our cumulative frequency distribution. Now let's calculate the median through the median formula. As we already know, median formula is median, or for m is L into n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So here m stands for median, L stands for the lower limit of the median class. Now we will calculate it just later, but first we need to calculate this n. So what n stands for? N stands for this value, the final cumulative frequency. So we have to divide this by 2 and it comes out to be 7.5. Now we will find all values like L, F, CF and H with regard to this n, 7.5. N is the lower limit of the median class. Median, how to calculate the median class? Well, we will look at the value of 7.5 and find the cumulative frequency which is higher than this and just nearer to this. That is 12. This is nearer to 7.5 and 12 is greater than 7.5. Sorry. So now we know L, we know M. Cumulative frequency is the cumulative frequency of the preceding class of the median class. As we know, this was the median class, as 12 was the cumulative frequency that we needed. So the cumulative frequency of the previous class, this. Frequency of the median class, that is this. And height is the size of the interval, that is everywhere, here also, here also, here also is 10. So now we can calculate the median because we know all the values. We have got L. We know that the L was 1 crore. So now we learned how to calculate the values of L, CF, F and H with regard to N. And now that we have found all the values, it's just a matter of seconds to calculate the median. We'll directly apply the formula to get the value of L is 20. So 20 into n by 2, that is 7.5, subtracted by CF, that is 7, F divided by F, that is 5, and multiplied by the H, that is 10. We will simplify this to get 1 by 2 by 5 into 10, 5, 1, 4, 20 is our median. So what this means? This means just as simple as we know that the median, what the median means is normal frequency distribution. Here also the median refers to the same. That means just equal students scored less than 20 marks in the test, just as 20 marks higher in the test. So the number of students who scored less than 20 marks are the same as the students who secured more than 20 marks. Thank you.